everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're back at Esamization. Wait, are you thinking we're doing Isam's kitchen? No, we're doing Isam's toy review, but it's gardening time. Can you guess what it is? What? No, it's a different thing. See? Ta-da! See? It's written Best Toy Award. This is a mini garden dinosaur. So there plants will grow. That's why it said gardening. So let's get open. We got lots of stuff here. Oh, here's our ink. Here are the stickers. So this is instructions. Stickers also have dinosaur foot, and here is where we're gonna put our garden. And here is some sands, white and blue and red. And here's some seeds, chia seeds and soil, and dinosaur figures and a water dropper. So let's start. So first of all, let's see instructions. So let's start. Before you begin, cover the area and have a cup of water soon nearby. See, the potting mix can be messy. Avoid getting your hand. Okay, now we're gonna decorate the outside of the terrarium. So here, with dinosaur tracks. Then we're gonna move on to potting mix. Then we're gonna add a cup of water. Then when it's sticky, we're gonna put it in our incubator. But first, decorating. So which one should I start? Green? Yes, green, because I love green. Here, this is perfect. First, I'll start with green and one by one. Okay, now open your potting mix and add a few tablespoons of water. Squish the bag until the mix clumps together like clay and add more water as needed. So let's get started. Here's our bag. Oh yeah, one scoop. Second scoop. Third scoop. Okay, now we're gonna press the mix into the bottom of your terrarium. So there. Now I pat it with my finger. Now we're gonna sprinkle a few glowing stones in the back of our terrarium. So now we're gonna sprinkle a few chia seeds. Now we're gonna decorate the top and back by trees. So first, we're gonna do this. It means just like behind. Now we're gonna add the pteranodon. Look, so I've decorated my terrarium, the outside one. So now it's decorating with these colorful sands. So add the decorative sand and stones to the top of the soil. Now we're gonna arrange the little mini dinosaurs in front of our garden. So this is supposed to go here. Okay. When you're finished, pop on the lid and place your garden in a safe place. So now we have to keep it in a safe place and do not touch it, and I'll give an upgrade when the leaves grow up. Then we're gonna come out with the next exciting video that I can't tell you now, but it may be tomorrow or the next day of tomorrow. So stay tuned, and then we're gonna come back if we get 100 viewers. And I already know I got more than 100 in my ice cream video. Okay, and stay tuned for our new video and subscribe to follow me, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and don't dislike. Stay tuned for my videos. Okay, bye.